So here we have a question. 5 multiply 4 minus 8 divide 2. So now let's solve this problem correctly by using a PEMDAS rule. Okay, PEMDAS. According to PEMDAS, first priority is parenthesis, second priority is exponents, third priority is multiplication and division. Here multiplication and division both have equal priority, so we have to solve it from left to right. Fourth and last priority is addition and subtraction. So addition and subtraction both have equal priority, so we have to solve it from left to right. Okay. So in this question we have one multiplication, one subtraction and one division. So first we have to solve multiplication and division. And also multiplication and division both have equal priority, so we have to solve it from left to right. So first we have to solve this multiplication. Is equal to 5 multiply 4 is equal to 20 minus 8 divide 2. Now here we have one subtraction and one division. So according to PEMDAS rule, first we have to solve this division. Okay. So 20 minus now 8 divide 2 is equal to 4. So now 20 minus 4 is equal to 16. So the correct answer is 16. Okay.